Hello, in my season's greetings video that I put out a couple of weeks ago, I mentioned that one of the next things that I wanted to do was to implement my own version of the Flat Earth Clock app. And we all know that there are some serious flaws with it. This, by the way, is for another video that I plan to make in the not too distant future. But I had already started to recode my skywatching app to make it open source. I've started to code it with the GNU public license. And I had a few hours to spare yesterday and a little bit today, so I thought that I would start working on the first version of that clock app. Of course, if I just implement something very similar to this, it's not really going to offer very much in terms of features that are not already done. So I thought that I would make something that is slightly unique. And most of us who have really spent a fair bit of time looking at whether the Earth is flat or a globe realize that flat Earth really is a bit of a Mickey Mouse thing. So I got the idea this morning when I was in the shower to make a Mickey Mouse based flat Earth clock app. I already downloaded the azimuthal equidistant map yesterday and I've trimmed out the edges. But I spent a bit of time this morning. I ended up getting the Mickey Mouse thing from my Apple Watch, and with a little bit of photoshopping later, I've implemented several layers that could be used in a clock. So here's what I have at the moment. It still has a lot of rough edges at the moment, but I will make the app available as a binary. So check the description below. It is a Java application, so you will need to install the Java runtime environment on your computer. Other than that, it should run as is. There's a timer. It defaults to not running, but you just turn the timer on and then you just click on these latitude and longitude so you can change for your local environment. So for example, if I want to place myself on Null Island, that's where I am, and the time is taken from your computer's local time zone. So I'm on Eastern time, which is 5 hours behind UTC. And if I go to position myself where I am at the moment, so there we go. The sun appears as a little yellow dot over here. The moon is a little blue dot over here, and your location is the green dot. And I'm going to put a link to my Discord server in the description as well. If you want to see me coding away, or if you just want to chat or whatever, go ahead and join and we'll figure something out. This is going to be fairly new for me, so it'll be a bit interesting to see how well I get on with Discord and possibly live stream on my second channel. There's still a fair bit of cleanup that I want to do on the code that I wrote the other day before I commit and put in GitHub, but I do plan on making this available for people to get a hold of. That's going to be it for now. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, I would appreciate the thumbs up, the subscribe, and all that other stuff. And I'm going to see you again in another video soon enough. So bye for now.